Welcome back to another delicious recipe from Oyoyindoke's kitchen. So today I'll be making bitter leaf soup. You can see my meat is already cooked. I'll be cooking this recipe with palm oil concentrate. How do we get palm oil concentrate? It's actually from palm kernel. You cook it, pound it, squeeze it out, and it comes thick like this. So we are going to combine it and bring to a boil. You can see now the palm oil concentrate has been completely mixed with the meat stock and the rest of the protein. And I'll be adding our washed dry fish, followed by stock fish. My stock fish for this recipe is cooked. So we are going to get everything into the pot and then mix thoroughly and allow to cook. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to share, don't forget to like, and let me know where you're watching me from. You can see everything is nicely combined. We are going to be adding the rest of the ingredients. So I have Ose Nsukka. This pepper is very flavorful and very spicy all the way from Nigeria. And I'll be adding some crayfish. Make sure you add enough crayfish in your soup so you don't have to use a lot of salt. The next thing will be to combine the two together with the rest of the ingredients and then allow to cook. I'll be adding some shrimps as well. I love to cook with shrimps, so I added some shrimps into the pot. We are going to now mix and allow to cook. For today's recipe, bitter leaf recipe, I'll be cooking it with ede. And my ede is not the ede you used to know. This one is already blended ede, well prepared by my mother all the way from Nigeria. That's what I have here. So you're going to make sure you mix thoroughly so you don't have any lump. This ede tastes so good in bitter leaf soup and is very easy when you want to make your bitter leaf. So we are going to allow it to simmer. You can see now everything is completely melted into the pot. We'll be adding our bitter leaf. The bitter leaf is completely washed and clean. You don't need to do much. All you need to do is soak it in water and it's going to come back life again. This particular one, you don't have to boil it because it was well prepared by my mother. So shout out to my mom and all the mothers out there looking out for their children. Thank you guys for all you do. Now we are going to combine nicely and we are going to cover to cook for another 3 minutes or 4. I did not use ogiri for this recipe, but you can add ogiri if you want. You can see everything is looking good. The ede works so well, is well thickened. I'm going to add some salt to taste and I'll be adding some bouillon cube. I'm adding 2 bouillon cubes for this recipe. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this recipe. Just look at the bitter leaf is now well combined and the ede thickens so well. So nicely. Just take a look. So guys, let me know if you have cooked with blended ede before. Or is it your first time of seeing it? Let me know in the comment section. Our soup is almost ready. You can see just negodi. Look at bitter leaf soup that went to Harvard. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys.